Hello friends, welcome to Job Aspirants YouTube ಚಾನಲ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದಿನಾಂಕ 8/12/2024ರಂದು KPSC ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾದ ಒಂದು PDO ನಾನ್ HK ವಿಭಾಗದ PDO ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 30 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, which button among the following is used to change the background of a document? Okay, so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 71 questions. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, that is shading style. Okay, so next question is 72 question. The cell reference for a range of cells that starts in cell C1 and goes over to column H and down to row 10 is. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is C1H10. Next 73 question is, which function displays rows data in columns and column data in rows? Transpose, index, rows, hyperlinks. The correct answer is transpose. We use this transpose for changing the content in row to column and column to rows. Next 74th question is, the formula in Excel starts with %, none of the above. So the correct answer for this is option number 2, that is equal sign we used in Excel to start the formula. So the next 75th question is, in a spreadsheet each cell is referred to by its cell address, file address, both 1 and 2, none of the above. We use the each cell is referred to as the first option, that is cell address. Next 76th question is, a group of related web pages is called www, HTML, website or home page. The correct answer for this question is the option number 3, that is website. So the next question is 77 question. What does clear browsing data typically include? Only the cache, only cookies, cache, cookies, history and save passwords, only save passwords. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is the clear browsing data includes cache, cookies, history and save passwords. So the next question, 78th question is, what is a cookie in the context of the internet? A small piece of data stored by a website on the user's computer, or a typically of digital image, or a programming language for web development, or a virus that infects web browser. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is a small piece of data stored by a website on a user's computer. Next 79 question is, which of the following is an example of a connection oriented service on a network? Electronic junk mail, text messaging, database query, movie download. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is database query. So the next 80th question is, the file that is linked with an email and sent to the receiver of the email is referred to as annexure, appendage, attachments, add-on. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is attachment. Next 81 question is, symbol which is not permitted in an email address is period, @ blank space. Okay, so in our email address we use this dot, that is we call it as a period, symbol, _ but we can't use the blank space. The correct answer is option number 4. Next 82 question is DNS stands for Domain Naming System, Digital Networking System, Direct Naming System, Domain Network System. The correct answer for this question is Domain Naming System. So the next 83rd question is data transfer rate in modems is measured in BPM, BPS, bandwidth, MIPS. The correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is BPS. Next 84th question is in MS PowerPoint presentation slide layout is available on dash menu, insert, view, format, edit. The correct answer for this question is format menu. Next 85th question is in MS PowerPoint the shortcut key to save the file is Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus A. So the correct answer for this question is Ctrl plus S. We use to save the file, we use shortcut key Ctrl S, Ctrl A for selecting the content, Ctrl C for copying the content, Ctrl V for pasting the content. So the next 86th question is which of the following short key is used to start the slideshow using F5 key, F3 key, F1 key, F6 key. To start slideshow in MS PowerPoint, we use the shortcut key is F5 key. Next 87th question is who designed the Kannada Nudi software? Dwark Media of Karnataka, Kannada Ganaka Parishat, or PK Rao? The correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Kannada Ganaka Parishat. Next, the 88th question is the keyboard layout commonly used for typing in Nudi is QWERTY keyboard, AZERTY, or both 1 and 2, none of the above. The correct option for this question is option number 1, that is QWERTY keyboard. So the next 89th question is the first computer which provides the storage is ACE, EDVAC, EDSAC, Mark 1. The first computer that provides the storage is the option number 3, that is EDSAC. Next 90th question is which is must for network printers that is connected directly to the local network, that is file name or printer serial number or DNS host name or printer cartridge. The correct answer for this question is DNS host name. Next the 91 question is the system bus allows communication of information between the data transmitted from main memory to CPU. Input data from the keyboard travels from the device to main memory. Information from external memory is transmitted to main memory. A and B, A and C, all the above, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is all the above. So the next 92 question is which of the following is not used as a secondary storage? Magnetic disk, magnetic tape, semiconductor memory, magnetic drums. So the correct answer is option number 3, that is semiconductor memory. Next 93 question is Dash is a window utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearrangements files and unused disk space to optimize the operation. Backup, disk cleanup, disk fragmenter, restore. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is disk defragmenter. Next 94th question is which of the following was main electronic component used in first generation of computer? Transistor, vacuum tubes, integrated circuits, none of the above. So in first generation the electronic component is used as a vacuum tubes and the transistors were used in the second generation and the integrated circuits were used in the third generation. Okay, the option is option number 2. Okay, next 95, the question is To view the contents that cannot be fit into a window, the user can use the scroll bar, toolbar, title bar, menu bar. The correct option is scroll bar, option number 1. Next, 96th question is GUI stands for General Used Interface, Graphical User Interface, both 1 and 2, none of the above. So option number 2 is correct, Graphical User Interface. Which is not font style? Bold, superscript, regular, italic. Option number 2 is correct, that is superscript. It's not a font style. Next, 98th question is which of the following are valid minimum and maximum zoom size in MS Word? 0 to 100, 0 to 1000, 10 to 500, 10 to 1000. Okay, so in MS Word, the minimum zoom size is 10 and the maximum zoom size is 500. That is option number 3 is correct. 99. Which tool is used to manually change the appearance of characters in MS Word? Font dialog box, format painter button, formatting button, paragraph formatting. The correct option is option number 1, that is font dialog box. In MS Word, to find and replace text, we have to click on dash menu, edit, file, view, none of the above. So in MS Word, to find and replace the text, we use the edit menu. Okay. So friends, this is the all 30. Okay, so 30 questions that are 100% accurate and correct answers. Okay, so friends, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇದೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಹೊಸ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.